How exactly are Hamas rockets made? In fact, it is very simple to use the raw materials. Just need to prepare the sugar and potassium nitrate, and then put them in a certain proportion into a pot to heat and melt. Then the melted mixture is poured into a mold and cooled to form the rocket propellant. Finally, the propellant is put into a water pipe made by the Liang Steel Pipe Factory, and a Hamas rocket is born. Why do we use sugar and potassium nitrate to make the propellant? This is because sugar releases a lot of heat when it burns, and potassium nitrate decomposes at high temperatures to produce a lot of oxygen, which in turn acts as an accelerant, which makes the sugar burn even more vigorously. The mixture of the two produces enough energy to send a rocket next door to Israel. At about 2.2 meters tall, 17 centimeters in diameter, and weighing a total of 90 kilograms, the Hamas rocket is not much bigger than an adult male. The rocket's tail is loaded with a propellant mix of sugar and potassium nitrate. The center area contains a large amount of shrapnel and steel balls, and in front of it is a 10-kilogram TNT charge, most of which was shipped in from next door in Egypt. It used a conventional collision engine for its trigger mechanism, with a small ammunition cartridge filled with gunpowder inside the. In front of it is the firing pin. When the warhead touches the ground, the firing pin hits the cartridge and detonates the explosives. Firing a Hamas rocket is as simple as placing it on the launcher and adjusting its pitch to control its range. Then you bury the wires in the propellant and simply press a switch to energize it, and the rocket is ready to fire. Since the propellant inside it only burns for 5 seconds, the rocket is mostly unpowered, so it can only move along a parabola. As for where it finally lands and explodes, it depends entirely on luck, so the accuracy is relatively poor.